All right, here goes 49. Anybody long? I'm looking for 50 on those two stuff, and I mean 2 lots, and that's it. I'm gonna get the hell out. If I print that 50, I'll be happy, take my money, and go. All right, guys, I just sent a tweet. I will go live on YouTube right now. Took 43 to 49. These are killing it, baby. I'm loving it. You guys are freaking amazing. You guys rock. All right, guys, we are live on YouTube. All right. Copy this, baby. Good morning, YouTube. Join us for about 35 minutes, maybe. We'll be here live. Let me post it also for my guys at the Discord right at the lounge room. Live now. Right? On YouTube. Fantabulous. Freaking fantabulous. All right. There you have it. We are going live, trading the Emini, trading crude oil. And let me put an image for you guys quickly on my setup here. Holding 47 on this ES, guys. I'm looking for that 50. Come on, show me the money. Right, we need that move out of this ES now. We talked about it. There was the game plan, right? The game plan was right there. It played out really nicely, really nicely.
Iceberg sell 120 at 44.48.
Fantabulous, guys. 48 still holding. Boeing printing 222. Citigroup 71.76. JP Morgan above the 157 now. Hood trying to hold. Robinhood trying to hold the 40 bucks. MVOX holding the 225 now, about the 228 now. And Digital Turbine, here we go, $51 on Digital Turbine. I love that. Remember, I am long $51 even. I think my entry was right on 51. I'm planning to sell the calls for tomorrow, for Friday. I keep saying tomorrow. I don't know what the heck is going on today with me. I am under the impression that today it is Thursday, but it's not. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I will not be here at the open. So, oh my God, thank God my wife just, like, she goes like, hey, I'm here. She just put a big note at my door. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment with my daughter at 9 a.m. Central Time. Therefore, right before the open, I will leave you guys alone. But I will be opening the room at 6 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. I will repeat. Tomorrow, I will open the room at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. 7 a.m. sharp, I will be opening the room. I will be with you for about an hour, maybe right before the open. I think around 9:30 Eastern, I have to leave. I have a doctor's appointment with my daughter, and I have to be there. So I do apologize, but tomorrow I will be out of here right around the open. So I won't be trading that much. Probably I'll trade some pre-market, and that's about it. All right, trying to hold 51 on Digital Turbines. I was a bit looking at the markets. Let me see how much are they paying for the 51. 50. Oh, they don't have a 51 for digital turbine. They only have 50 and then it jumps to 54. So digital turbine 54 for Friday. They are paying me 25 cents, which is $25. Nope, I'm not interested. Instead, if they take my stock from 50 bucks, they are paying me about 145. That's equal to sell you the stock at 51.45. So I might do that. You know what? I might do that and take a small, tiny loss in case the stock rallies above 51.50. My break even will be 51.50 on that. So market holding, guys, holding 48, looking good. Those of you on YouTube, so here is what I have from you guys today in the market early on. We took a bunch of long trades with my guys in the room, live trading early on in the morning. Man, my wife is setting priorities all the time, Mr. France. You have no idea. Yeah. And the thing is that the appointment came in yesterday afternoon. The appointment was supposed to be for next week on Tuesday, I believe. And then she's like, no, it is tomorrow. So get your butt, and we're probably going to have to leave early. Say, oh, man, come on. I need to be with my boys trading. Don't do that. Anyways, going back to my YouTube, guys. So what do I have for you guys early on in the morning today, 9 a.m. Eastern time? We opened the room. You know, we used to open the room at 9:15. But now what I do is I open the room early. We talk a bit about pre-market, the strategies that we will use for the day, what to look for and what not to look for in the markets, how to get yourself out of trouble trading the especially the indices, like especially trading the E-mini. So if you go to my website, you will see that I go live at 9:15 every day, right at 9:15 every day. Well, I have changed that a bit, over time, being with my guys in the room. Usually I open the voice and screen share the whole freaking day. You heard that right, the whole day. Sometimes it's even 24 hours, free screen share. But the room, when I am trading live, when I'm trading live, the room opens right around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And I go live all the way to 11 a.m. This is when the room is open. Beginning September, I believe right around September, I will be opening the room, and we're gonna start trading stocks, baby. Calling the charts on a couple of ideas using order flow, using level 2. We will be trading stocks from 7 a.m. Pre-market, from 7 a.m. pre-market Eastern time all the way to 11 a.m. So that's the idea. Starting September, get ready. We're going to start changing a couple of things here in the room, having a lot of fun with the guys. So screen share, 9:15 Eastern time, we open. We start doing our pre-market. But now pre-market is going to be right around 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock every day, we're going to stop pre-market. Now, the price is only 99 bucks. I'm leaving the same price for the whole summer, 99 bucks. You can go ahead, join us, whatever you guys to do. You want to become a consistent trader, there you have it right in front of you. Go to eslive8.com. This morning, early on, pre-market, this is how we approach the market. We come pre-market, we look at everything, and before the market even opens, there is the game plan that you see right there on the screen. Those of you on YouTube watching this recorded, there was the open, here was the strategy that we were to utilize today in the morning. Open right near the overnight low. We were looking for the correction of inventory right from these 31s to the 44s. We got a bunch of points there on some of my guys, about 8 points myself. Then we were looking to break this 46, 47 and look for the overnight high. Guess what? We just did that, and now we failed right at that overnight high on that 49. So This is how we approach the market daily. This is how my guys and myself included are really, really successful at being green every single month. Last month of July, we only lost 2 days out of 20 days of the market, right? For the month of August, we haven't done nothing. For the month of August, we have not lost a single day, not a single losing day for the month of August. Every single day, super green, guys. So come check us out. I just gave you guys an invite, those of you here on YouTube. And you can come to my website, eslive8.com. Just join the chat. It is free for 7 days. I'm giving you a week for you guys to try it out. Come look and see how the power of trading pure market profile and order flow will change the way that you look at the markets, right? Once you start using order flow along with your market profile, using the DOM and using the ladder, that will change you dramatically the way that you trade the markets. Look at the market right now, opening C period. It is 10:30 a.m. and we have some singles. We are leaving some singles behind. This is powerful because what the market is telling us is we can rally from here, right? We can rally from this 46 and go to that 53 previous day high and then go and correct this area. This is what I'm looking for as we are coming into late afternoon for today. Look for a potential move into these 50s. First stop, you're gonna get into that previous day high, then get those singles that we left on Monday. Was it that on Monday? That was on Monday. If you see any failure, and these for you guys here in YouTube, if you see here any failure at those 48s, we already saw one of them, right? Like a couple of times we were sitting here for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Look for a pullback. Wait for a better entry. Let the market come to you, right? Let them come right at the teapot, right around here. That would be, let me see, that's going to be your 44, maybe 44.40, 44.39. Look for a potential pullback. Pay attention to halfback, right? The 50% retracement of today, I want you to be looking into that. And if we get any move into these 40s, start taking longs small with a tight stop. Don't forget your stop, please, when trading futures, right? The stop is your best friend. So look to go for longs right here and take the trade back up, breaking the 50s, breaking the 53s. This is a squeeze that could develop for the rest of the day. The guys that are here in the room, it is only 10:32. I will post this for you guys on our chat for all the premium members. I'm gonna take a couple of longs here. I'm loading the boat. These are, you're done for the day. The market hasn't closed yet, but that is your decision, my friend. C period, I think you're done. Let me see. You're out at 44, 45. You're short from there one lot. That's good, right? You flip it right at the 48. You're not done. You better not be done because the way I'm training you, you will be trading, those 8 hours. We need to talk about those business proposals that we need to do for September. But that 44, the market is pulling back now. Trying to pull back into that 44. Let me see. Oh, right now we are at 47.75. So let me go back to the order flow here for a minute and put this back on the screen, right? 44. Let's see if somebody's going to pull a couple of orders here. 40.50. I mean, if you look at the 44.50, 44.52s, right? Couple of moves coming on right here. Here is where the money is, right? I want to get a better price. This guy wants to load 46, and these guys want to load 45. I will front run these guys. And I will go long 45 to take 5 points all the way to 50. So let me go put my order on right now. Man, now they are pulling to 48.50. Let's see. Give me a pullback here. Throw me a small bazooka. See if the order flow is going to play out. Somebody's trying to grab 47s. 47 here. Holding. Try to reload here. 46. All right, I want to see those 40s right at 46, see if they're going to hold on to those 232 on the book. See if they are going to pull back or not out of the market. All right, come on, come on, come on. Let's see. All right, 5102s on digital turbine, printing 51 on digital turbine. Love the sound of money early in the morning. Come on, 47s, loading here. They are keep reloading. He's trying to lift the offers here. 129 here in the market. 268, he's absorbing 247s nicely here. 247.75 holding. But you see the book right at 244. Nasdaq trying to come back. There is oil. Inventory numbers just came out of that oil. Let me go back to the oil trading, guys. EIA coming right at negative. Drove 3 million. That's not bad. I think it was expected. So I'm going to give you guys that in the channel. I'm posting it right now. Oil insights. Right. Yesterday was what was it yesterday? The crappy. The was about 1.1. Yes, yesterday was 1.1. Today, EIA reporting crude inventories. 66.20. Did I fill my 66? I need to go look at my account. Give me 1 second because I have an order to go long 66. 66.18s. Oh, I moved it to 65.85. That's why they didn't fill my order. So let me put it back on. All right, 47 on that ES, holding the ES, guys, holding that ES. Right. Right, JP Morgan holding 151 now, 151.50. Very good trade off the low of the 156. Sava 108 and MBUX trying to move away from that 225. That is good. Semiconductors kind of lagging today for a reason. SMH not giving me anything. So those puts that I sold yesterday, you guys remember, right? Now those puts are only 800 bucks. Let's see if they're gonna hold on to it. But this is the outcome of those puts that we sold yesterday on the ES, right? Rinse and repeat daily. That is your medicine, right? Collecting $1,300 on 2 lots on that EX. This expires tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, excuse me, Friday, right? This is the 44.20 puts. Yesterday, the market was dropping. All the news outlets, CNBC, right? All the guys, end of the world yesterday, right? Just because the market was pushing. So now selling those puts, making some money for Friday already. Right, here comes 44. Right, let's see if they're gonna fill my order here. All right, here comes that 44. Oh, let me put these things aside right now. There goes the 44. Let's see if you're gonna. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. They will execute that. I want them to hold. That 44 needs to hold right now. And 43. Remember, 40, 44.40 is where that TPOC is. But here is where you want to start pulling on your orders and start looking for the long trades, okay? So 44 executed. Anything on these 43, I will be looking for some more activity out of the ES. Not a bad report for the oil. I want to see this oil holding this 66. So coming back to 66.20 now. absorbing. Look at the absorption happening right on the ES. Let me put the absorption on for you to see it. For you to see it here. Oh, I do have it. It didn't show up. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Did it show up there? Not there yet, but come on. Let me look at the overall picture. I want you to see something right now as the market drops. Now 42. Want to put a tight stop on this order. I don't want to let it go below that 40. All right? Because this could be that pullback that I'm expecting out of the market before they print the 47. 6620T. Excuse me, 6626 on that oil. So this is what I want you to look. Right, we're coming into VWAP on the E-mini. Right, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. 1 second. All right, sorry. I'm back. Somebody was at the door. What I was saying is, I'm going back to, I wanted to show you, see if this VWAP is going to hold right now on that ES trade. Digital Turbine guys printing 5122 right now. Right, we're coming back. Give me 1 sec. Come on, come on, come on. Where is that? Right, 6612. 6612. They are about to fill my order. I think they're just gonna execute it now on oil. Come on, hit it. $41s. Right, hold on. That 41 is coming. And that is the VWAP. Okay, there is the 66. They just got executed, I think, on my other account. See if they're going to buy VWAP here, these guys. They came right to L2. You see that L2 combo? L2 combo right at it. Right? We are sitting right on that L2 combo. Sava 109, almost 110 on Sava. Here is the break that I want on that ES, and I'm going to execute here on 140s long. right? 66.03 on oil, 85 cents range completed on that oil completely. I think we did more already, and it's only 10:45 a.m.
Ice for buy 120 at 44.41.
There it goes again, buying the 44.50. That L2 44.50 being bought once again. Give me one sec, guys. One sec.
Ice for sell 124 at 44.41. Ice for buy 124 at 44.41. Ice for sell 121 at 44.43.
All right, just came back. And all right, we are printing 45s now. Printing money. That's right, Caesar. That 44.50, when he held that 42, right at that 42 that was holding, I was looking at a couple of things. One of them is not only what was showing on your order flow, but what's actually happening at the reload that they were doing right on the 40s. So that was a good trade. I'm going to take the 6 points because there's only 2 contracts that I have on. I'll probably take the 6 points and be done with it. But I want to leave an idea for you guys, right? Just like what I told you on that. I mean, we just printed this, 5-10 minutes ago, right? So this, we just did it, 10 minutes ago, right before this even happened, as we discussed it. We were looking for a move right here into the 40s. That's what you got. Now, here is where you are now, right at the 46. Yes? We need to break this overnight now. We need to break that overnight high to move into that 50. So, that was a pretty good move of that 40. All right? So, guys, looking good. All right, so far it's looking good. Let's see if I can get maybe 1 or 2 of them out. My order on oil did not get executed on the 66. Now we are at 66.20. I haven't ordered as the order. I moved it to 65 and 95, 65.95. Excuse me. We came to the 65 and 97, and I'm gonna have to chase that oil right now, right here at 66.30. Could place my order, leave it there, maybe leave 1 runner, put 1 runner on, and put 1 runner on the orders. Kudos to those of you. Fantastic. Printing more money. That was a nice move. 8 minutes to go. Here goes 47. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Who was it? Omar? It's like if we have, clearly, I am a psychic. I love that. All right. Let's keep going. Okay, 45. I'm going to take those 3 points here. We might get into that 40 again. I'm going to go do rinse and repeat. Right? Rinse and repeat on it. Take those 3, 4, 5, 6 points that you get, whatever target you would put it on your mind. Take your money and run, baby. We do have a speaker, a Fed speaker today at noon, I believe, talking. I don't know if that is a. I posted for you guys early on. I think James Bullard from St. Louis. So it's going to be right at 12 noon. So watch out for fireworks coming out of the Feds. All right. Okay, guys, it is almost 11 a.m. in the morning. I will do a small recap so far what we have accomplished, right, in the room. Couple of things, couple of stocks that we did, a couple of plays. Long Citigroup 71 to 72s. Long JP Morgan 156 to 157s. Long Digital Turbines, we still long that 51 bucks, right? And the ES is still printing money off the lows, long 38s, right? Long 30, we went long 36s early on. I went long 32s early on. Exit those around 43s. That was the original target. Then went long again with you guys. Now live long 42s, right? And now we went all the way to 47. That was a pretty good, fantastic trade. It looks like we're going to get stuck here into this range. So I will be looking for opportunities right below the 40 even, excuse me, right below the 40 even. Let me show you what the profile is looking for, like, right? This is overlapping value, right? Compared to yesterday, we're still having this overlapping value. The developing value as of 11 a.m. in the morning is completely inside. So nonetheless, right? Nonetheless, what is important to understand is that we still printing value below that all-time high, right? We are below. We are printing value right here. This is where we are conducting business. So chances are the more we conduct business here, these 4,400 are going to become attractive. And you might see these flares like the flare that you saw yesterday where we stopped right at the bottom of the spike from the 5th of August. We stopped right at it. You can see it right there. Yesterday we came to that 44.12. That was a pretty good move that they did. I mean, they gave you guys a couple of opportunities there to get long in the market. So as we come into the afternoon, I would like to see the market hold these 44.33s, right? It is very early on. It is only 11 a.m. in the morning. But if the market gives me any opportunity here, I will be looking to hold on to some long trades, right? Long trades of the 33s, 36, and start looking for a potential move back to overnight into the late afternoon. If you break, I will be very clear, if you break below the open, right? Remember, we can go and test that previous low, right? The market could give you a nice reversal right here on the 40s again, but you have to be very smart. If we break below the open, I'm gonna put a big if right here, right? If we break below that open, that's going to open the doors for the sellers and the bears to give another attempt into those 4,400 numbers. All right. So let me take a snapshot of this and give it to you guys right now in the chat room. It is 11 a.m. minus 3 minutes. Do you guys have any questions before I leave? Right, there you have it. I just posted on the screen what to expect out of the markets for the rest of the day. Those of you on YouTube, this is the way we do it. Every single day, we create a plan of action and we execute on it. This morning, there were some nice setups that we did with the guys every single day pre-market. What is my pre-market setup? There was the scenario for today. Here was the game plan, going long 30s into those 43s. Here was the first target. Next target was those 48s. Most of the guys got all that money. So as the day progresses, I still give people some headwinds, what to expect, some inputs. So as of right now, 11 a.m. in the morning, what should you be looking for? Well, first up, I want to see whether or not that open will hold right on that 44.33. I want to see that hold. I want to start getting longs right here on these 36s. Maybe my stop of 3 points, trying to capture, risking 3 points from 36, trying to capture 10 points all the way to 46 level. So can you risk 3 to make 10s? Absolutely, anytime, any day. This is how we do it in the room. We wait for the trade to come to us. So if you guys are watching this live or later on when it is recorded, you will see how is it that we are so consistent on a daily basis, trading our plan of actions, evaluating what the market does, using only market profile and order flow. And with this image, I will be closing the room. I will be letting you guys know to sign up. It takes you only 2 points on that ES and you pay your premium membership. On top of that, every single Saturday, we do something called replay, right? We do some mentoring on market profile and order flow where we review the week, we review our trading and our analysis. So we bring you down this every single day. I will move this out of the way right now, my market profile out of the screen. And I'm going to have to let you guys go. One of the things that we look into the room is also here on the screen. What you're seeing is a bookmap. Those of you new to bookmap here on YouTube, what you see on the screen is a software called Bookmap that gives you a visual representation of your order flow right on the screen. What you see to the right of the screen, those combos and L2s and L3s, this is nothing more than some levels that are from a spot gamma that I used to trade with my guys in the room. They are pretty effective. All those red and blue lines right here underneath, that is only an indicator displaying those icebergs on the screen. Now we're coming to 38. You guys can see on the screen how we do have an iceberg right there, and he's still executing, right? So we want to see this iceberg hold on to it, and I'm gonna start taking another long right here on around 38. Maybe if he gives me a stop run and he breaks these 37s, I'll probably go long these 37 guys. I'm about to close the room. 37s, my stop very tight, maybe 35, because if we break that 35, we're going to the open, and if we break the open, we are heading into those 20s. So that is the game plan. Please trade carefully. Have a fantastic, beautiful day. Have a blessing day. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow morning. For those of you in YouTube, I go live on YouTube at around 10:30 a.m. all the way to 11 for about 30 to 45 minutes. For the day, we already collected over 66 points across my accounts, just trading the ES. Oil, those of you guys who took oil long from what, 66 bucks, printing around 400 bucks, my order did not get filled. I'm probably gonna have to chase that, guys. So going over the stocks now, the ones that I did trade was the JP Morgan early on. My Citigroup I traded from 71 to 72. JP Morgan from 156 to 157.30. Sava printing 111. I have puts that I sold on Sava, and that's making my day because those puts are going to zero. I might even get exercise on those puts if we print 108 tomorrow. I'll be gladly happy to own Sava at 108. Good trading. Those of you who listened to Tesla this morning early on pre-market, Tesla long $672. Now Tesla printing $692 on Tesla. Tilray is still looking good. Facebook kind of flat. FAS financials coming back online. And some nice comeback from Digital Turbine, APPS, Digital Turbine. The ticker APPS, a nice comeback of the 49 and 80 cents, I believe. We dropped for a bit below 50 bucks. Now printing $51.22. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning. Actually not 9 a.m. Tomorrow, my premium guys, premium members, I will be live at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. I will not be present during the open of the market. That's a big potential that I will not be here at the open, but I will be giving you everything I got, all the analysis pre-market, at least all the way until 9:15, 9:10, 9:15. I could still be here in the room getting ready for the open tomorrow morning. Have a fantastic day, blessing day. Be seeing you guys later on today at the close. I will be posting more stuff on the room, on the chat room on Discord. Take care. God bless you. See you guys tomorrow morning. Dropping the mic right now.
Recording stopped.
We'll be live at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. I will not be present during the open of the market.